I'll guide you through how to screen record on your iPhone with or without audio.
If you're looking to capture a gaming session or create a quick how-to video to share with a friend, and you want to screen record on your iPhone with or without sound, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, tap the like button. Let's get started. Here is the complete process to record your iPhone screen. The first step is to add the screen recording control to your control center, which is like a shortcut to tools you use often. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. At the topmost left corner, you'll see a tiny plus icon. Tap on it. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap Add Control. Then scroll to the Display and Brightness section to locate and select Screen Recording to add it. It looks like a circle inside a circle. It's also a good idea to check your available storage to ensure you have enough room for the video. Go to Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage. To record your voice, press and hold the screen recording button in the control center. A pop-up menu will appear with a microphone icon at the bottom. Tap the icon, which will turn red to turn it on. Now, when you screen record, your voice will be captured. To record internal audio from an app or a game, simply make sure your phone's ringer is on and the volume is up before you start recording. For a cleaner recording without distracting notifications from apps, swipe down from the top right to open the control center and enable Do Not Disturb mode.
Now that you're ready to start recording, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Tap the screen recording button. A 3-second countdown will begin, and then your screen will start recording. This is typified by a red indicator at the top left of the screen, indicating that the screen is recording. To stop recording, open the control center again and tap the button. You can also tap the red indicator at the top of your screen and select Stop. After you stop the recording, the video is saved to your Photos app. Open it and use the built-in editing tools to trim the beginning and end to remove the unwanted parts where you start and stop the recording. By following these steps, you have successfully screen recorded on your iPhone with sound and pro tips. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.